When we take a close look at the crypto market, we get the impression that it is doing very well, rather than very poorly. Furthermore, because 2022 is still in its early stages, this is a great time to make some predictions. Any altcoin must be assessed in the context of the overall market environment and Bitcoin performance. Before we get into the price predictions, let's take a look at what this is all about. Is it a good idea to buy FEG token, FEG? FEG is currently trading with 8 zeros, and if FEG reaches Shiba Inu's current price, 50 billion FEG token will be worth over $1,300,000. As of this writing, a $136 investment today can get you more than 50 billion FEG tokens. Now, let's take a step-by-step look at the value of FEG from 2022 to 2030. FEG token price prediction for 2022. Through collaborations and innovations, FEG has enormous potential to increase the number of users and adoption. If the market focuses on investing in FEG token, the price could skyrocket. According to fundamental analysis, FEG, which is currently trading with 8 zeros, will continue to trade with 8 zeros at the end of 2022. If the market falls, the FEG is expected to turn around slightly. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 7 zeros. FEG price prediction for 2023. Many websites and discussion forums offer a unified approach to this currency. This prediction platform predicts that FEG token will remain stable at its current price for a very long time. By the end of 2023, the FEG is expected to trade with 7 zeros. FEG price prediction for 2024. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. There is still hope that the currency will gain a lot more attention, causing FEG's long-term price forecast to skyrocket. In 2024, the year could end in a 6-digit number. FEG token price forecast for 2025. Increased adoption and collaboration among other major blockchain networks in 2025 would drive up the price of the FEG token. The maximum trading price could reach 6 zeros, but only near the end of 2025. FEG price predictions for 2030. As a result of such a large community, FEG will be perceived as a better option, and the price of FEG token will skyrocket. Price movements are difficult to predict, particularly when the market is at its most bullish or bearish in history. For the year 2030, the price of FEG token will be trading with 5 zeros, and towards the end of 2030, FEG will be trading with 4 zeros, and if that happens, if you have 50 billion FEG tokens today, your 50 billion tokens will be worth over $1,300,000. Kindly drop your comment below about what you think of FEG.